putting off exhaust leaks, exhaust manifolds, studs, only cost you more. By the time that we see exhaust manifolds, you're already into double labor time plus extractions. And if you just came in and get it done when it started to leak, it's usually a lot more affordable. What's up?
That's before I'm getting the camera set up and swapping out the box for the new one.
Don't worry about that today.
Sure.
Yep.
Alright, then.
Alright, I'll see you later. So anyway, yeah, nobody's your friend when you got exhaust manifold problems, not on today's cars. It's a miserable, hard job. This was so bad that I've just cut everything off that wasn't already broken, and we're starting from scratch. Let me show you what's up. 4 were broke, 4 were doing nothing, and packed with muffler mud doing nothing. So they're all cut off. I'm going to start extracting all these bad boys. Put off auto repairs and maintenance. It only costs you more in the end.